Welcome. If you want to add event to calendar in your Samsung Galaxy J5 2016, for the first you have to go for your calendar, tap right here on this marker, and right now you have to add the title. You can set up here also other things. You can add the visibility, time zone. You can set the repeat on the location, whatever you want. When you finish, you have to tap here on the save. And right now we have our event. So if you want to delete or just edit, you have to enter here and then just do what you want. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.